Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. My name is Sheikh Charnamajuba, Chief Imam of Masjid Rasul Azam, and I'm by Carlton of Wilkins Road. Team me because don't see the road, you don't bother of this street, I don't bother of too much. Even for workout food service is difficult before they take motor. Now that youth then at this area is going to all us on, I don't see the elders here all. We say now one try for make this street here. We don't start with your label side, we say with the able, they try small. But with the ask, the people then way go able. When are godly people, the people that will help for community and government people them back, make them put hand for help for make this street here. One make them from here take go reach now Wilkins Road. Yeah. So that with the request from a government for make them put hand for help for make this here. We they try as a community level now for us with the begin small. Now that no one will say now so we tell you thank you. We tell the youth the honor this area and the elders from Parliament and the chief now so the other people that this now me one of me neighbor. I like you man ba instead sana then all na this Muslim of Islam iden at the Sunnah was a way person die 3 things then they in blessing the continue they would on next wall the cut off other thing the world you would do the cut off the resurrection judgment but this one the cut off one of them in the person where they make street they make like water vein and other thing then kind of so now the important thing for this as suppose in their life for until they will make this blessing God they continue God will make blessing injured in the right hand for and good as he die back then they continue with that the bless until the resurrection back.
Pastor Moses Williams,
okay.
Yeah, financial secretary in the progressive youth organization, collaboration with the masjid. Okay. Love now cover everything. Yeah. Okay. When Christ with the soul, he says, love God with all your heart, with all your mind. So it's a love your neighbor like I love myself. Okay. So if I love the neighbor, Christ away, somebody slap me, and he left it, the center on the right. That means forgive one another, leave us one people. So that they make say we love one another, and they put the hands together for them.
Alright, those guys will 9% to everybody, to other people that will get money at the community, but they can do.
As the financial sector for the progressive youth and the organization, actually not to better think cancer because when you go to some people then they humiliate you, look down on me.
Because some man don't can collect, they don't see nothing.
Yeah, then some man say if you go give you 10,000, 5,000, Sunday we can say like he can't beg for it. Like we not get to but still being the patient, we able to raise small fund. This man say okay they give 100 bags, we get them. So the small fund we can inside, now we use to buy them stone and sand. Okay. We're not able to do the work and they are in road so they appeal to all Sierra Leoneans. It's not love. What will make a country? They will not go overseas, go be citizens. No matter how you go, you know, to see, because you born salo, you go to another man country, they know they accept you. But when you make it country, now the best thing and they for do. Let all join will make this road. It will be a blessing in our life. We get feel like entertainment center, people then they come up from all over, then they can enjoy now. And then get one program, then say Masi and then a carnival. People then they carry and then they sleep, then they enjoy themselves. But we not go get bad road, then people then come at this community. So they are people then let them come and join me.
Mina Alpha Ibrahim Toure, God bless. Mina the Secretary General of the Committee of Elders, na the Carlton community.
Alright. Okay, so what do you mean for the elders? They all come together, join this
man. Big thing this for let una able come together, organize people. This road on the from Omi Kaya 1979, this road not in good shape. Yeah. Today God don't make we don't come together with inshallah with the progressive youth there and the sheikh and then Palma Minaya, we are the local chief. We all don't come together, don't put together a lot of effort for let this be. And alhamdulillah, today it don't start for make this road. It don't stop here. This one we know for make road easy. Right now they measure each bag will get measurement 3 pound, 4 pound depending on the situation. We need stone, we need granite, we need the ball stone, we need I see no more who don't carpet the iron rod them. This native will not go able by we self, we not get our resources there. So they appeal to all Shariat organizations, to the government and everybody. This one will start so. Now somebody will not even one for let in name appear. Now give you 100 bags cement. Like if they watch this program right now, you go no see now they talk about.
Yeah.
Now somebody will come up far, but he stay here with we. Alhamdulillah. And I don't give you this 100 bags cement.
Of course, now you're not one of the elders council there. Right? If you look at the Ozer, and the Ozer, so what, 10-15 billion, is that right? So what you mean for like somebody put 20 million loans or 10 million loans, 5 million loans for this road done?
Exactly, what he talks in are true. If we all come together, put like 20 million, or we decide for say front we host no more, Lord they make a standard. Like this road
they don't make mountain cut all sides, all inside, and all in the they all don't concrete them.
Yes, indeed, me they go and they surprise. I feel say na government.
No,
they are surprised say the mountain court group come together and do that. And so we say they take from that line they come up.
Me na Chief Pa Almami Fofana, we stay in a Carlton, but not to stand in a snare for the 16th tribe we get here.
Okay.
They like they today we thanks Papa God thanks for giving this kind of opportunity, and there will be people here. We say let we all come together for most which we do. Me, I can't beg, I plead to the people of Thompson Bay or people in Carlton or the outside people. Waiting people now for million people here render we already right now we will try now for. We don't go see that we can make Papa government can make for we. Now we not the government, we the people we in this country here. Do ya with the beg we company all we don't see the road out and town. This hold you imam them and the elders committee where they are and the youth them and the woman youth, the man youth all come together for more put hands together. Me beg why they beg. Do ya beside them I will get the ocean. My people are sorry for me. We get honorable there now. We get a council on now. May them carry so they go. So the road authority say, "Oh, the people that don't start this will do." But what do we now will help? The chief say, "Do ya mauna help we?"
Me na Sheikh Aseri. Me na the chairman for the Carlton Progressive Youth Organization. Well, we sit down at the quiet moment. We there. Now say we need for come together. But let's get a project road for this community. With that, now we think this road, it already be a dead road now because it don't take a long time to make. So we come together, we meet the masjid. And the masjid they give you up once, they allow you follow give them the idea. So give them the idea, they buy the idea. Since then, we come together to make this road.
Alright, okay, so finally, let's go with 1% so that you man them, other people in the community, they can give a couple of money right now once, money for command use them.
Yeah. Well, wait till they continue for our appeal. Some people will be go meet them and they host them, and they say we say let we start.
Yeah.
Some man say, some man don't misuse other funds, but now we don't show them, say, wait till they give you. We don't come put them. Anybody can come, you can watch the type of job we do. So we continue for our appeal. Any other youth man the way they are around, we want for see Carlton community be a progressive place. Just like how we don't give youth to a good name. Now we come together, we can support this project. We start from here, we don't start to go up, we go fight for you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Alaji Sheikh Osman Ba, one of the Naibidem and this Masjid Rasul Azam, number 18, Carlton, Carolina. Anyway, we come here this morning for work on this road here because we've been doing arrange from long time. We and the youth in the area with the Jamana the mosque. So we will try for begin the contribute small for the road. Then we extend them back to right them to the people, then when a good people, then when they do good thing for themselves. So we don't do that and all. We are arranging out for today, but we go to start the work. So that make me talk here this morning.
Alright, so send a message now to other people who don't give that for they can support the road.
Yeah, with the appeal to the people then. When a story had people then, when a people then from the business people then, the organizations then, the government, to all the people then, they are like to support me for that we make this road here. Because this road here, if we make, it helps for all the Jama where they're doing here because of the block right now. For the mosque, for the community where they're doing here. So. But if you just make it or Wilkins Road under an Indian temple, then you go back to Collegiate to join under, it will help the Jama, all the community now. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
So, Milem National Bilal from this Carlton Carew decision.
Right.
So together again, me na Azan man for this mosque here.
Okay, so now you keep the couple.
So fine, me then choose for keep the couple all together for this road.
Thank you so much. So you're an honest man.
Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin. Yes.
Because for them say well, they give money, but because me at the fire, so they not give me. Okay. So what it mean for them? Why for them give you money? You know why for them trust you? So that other people can give money back.
Well, and they keep meeting, then come meet me. They say, "Na me for keep the money."
Yeah.
So me beg them for say, "Like keep the money."
Yeah.
So me self take that one because they believe me. Me self take the money and they keep them and they make use of them according to how the money come by God.
Exactly.
So they pray to God, they Allah make the Syria people they join me. And sorry for you, help me, follow, make this road there because this road is for all man. As how the chief imam say, this thing, na God work. The Sunnah tell you say, when most a man die, only work then the court of all less 3 things. When you make road, Sadaqatul Jariyah, then knowledge where you to people them, where then they use them after you. Then good picking where they make dua before you where you don't go. And they meet you. Well, now one of the 3 things is now they fancy. Okay. So when they pray to God, let Allah make all the Syrian people then join me, so able to conquer this future, inshallah.
Of course, me na Jomar, me na the vice chairman for the Carlton Progressive Youth Organization, where they in perfect collaboration with the Masjid Rasul Azan, where the Carlton Carew of Wilkinson Road, Thompson Bay. We make a perfect collaboration for make a turning sort of today for the road construction. Eventually, we're happy because we're able to get the community heads and for can join with today for do this road project. When we don't able to gather, we say, well, no buy material, so we're able to actualize this road. We work once today, let people then see. So this small something what we just don't gather now, we don't use for buy stone, sand, cement. Of course, we appreciate one more. We elders them more than then at the community. We give you 100 bags. We know plenty of people they give you 10, 5. So now so no more it is, but we still need more. Because this one we don't get, so we don't get for take with far. This is now about almost a kilometer road. Of course, they're in 2 phases. We not even reach step the first phase it. And we want to do the 2 phases, then the 3rd phase is over for Lidwin and the main Wilkinson Road. Because this road now come off from Wilkinson Road, where can at the community people then they frequently they use. They try for seek aid from them and we're able for.
Okay, so the phone number?
Somebody can contact 078-386-446. Of course, I'm not able to remember the other number there again, but I can use the line because this work, I'm the champion. You know, I did be me chairman. Of course, my chairman can tell me, say, Lord, we do this, anything. Now me get for they do the breakdown. Now me get for they do every other thing and tells this entire.